Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to remove a Ford Transit stereo. First, gather your essential tools. For many older models, you will need 4 specialized radio removal keys. Additionally, a set of plastic trim tools is crucial to carefully pry panels without causing damage. Finally, have a screwdriver set ready, as you will likely encounter 7mm bolts or T25 Torx screws securing the unit. Keeping a small container for fasteners is also a good idea. Next, we need to access the stereo unit by removing the surrounding trim. Use your plastic trim tools to carefully pry around the edges of the fascia panels. Many panels are held by clips, so a gentle but firm pull is often effective. Some transit models might have a rubber frame or small cover that needs to be removed initially. Always look for any visible screws before prying, as these must be removed first to prevent damage. Now it is time to remove the head unit itself. If your transit stereo has 4 small horizontal slots, insert the specialized radio removal keys until you hear a click. Apply outward pressure on all 4 keys simultaneously while gently pulling the stereo forward. For models without key slots, you will typically find 2 to 4 screws, often 7mm, securing the unit after the trim is off. Once loose, carefully slide the stereo out a few inches. With the stereo partially out, you can now disconnect the wiring. First, locate the main wiring harness, often a large quad lock connector. Press its release tab and lift the lever to detach it. Next, gently pull the aerial cable straight off the back of the unit. Disconnect any other auxiliary cables, like USB or microphone inputs. To reassemble, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all connections are secure and trim panels click firmly back into place. Double-check all screws for tightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.